Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this Cleo+Coco deodorant. Let's take a moment to just check how smoothly this goes on and how beautifully it works into your skin. It is absolutely divine. It smells fantastic and it has all the things I love in it and none of the stuff that I don't. I am a huge fan of natural deodorant and I love everything about the packaging of this, the scent as I mentioned earlier, and also that it is aluminum free. It goes on so smoothly, you need barely anything to cover your whole underarm. It does take a bit to get used to because you can't see it, but I love the fact that it also has a screw top, so when I do take it on vacation or go out to the gym, I can just throw it in my bag and the lid won't come off. Plus, who doesn't love a deodorant that's called Braveheart? The basil and mint scent is unlike anything I've had before and I love it. It is manufactured in the US, cruelty-free, aluminum-free, paraben-free, and non-synthetic fragrance, which you can tell the difference. It is such a high-quality scent. It is beautiful. It does look more like a balm, but it goes on just like a cream. I love it, but that's just my point of view.